everyone. According to kinetic theory of gases, an ideal gas between two successive collisions, a gas molecule travels in a circular path, in a wavy path, in a straight line path, or with an accelerated velocity. Now, the collision between the molecules is elastic, okay? But if we consider about two molecules, the two molecules will collide with one another, okay? But they will collide in a straight path. Okay, whenever there is a collision between two molecules, the collision is there in a straight path. Okay, suppose if this molecule is colliding with this molecules, the collision is in straight path. Okay, that's why here we will write here that option 3 is the correct option of this question. Always between two collisions, the molecule will travel in a straight line path. Yeah, after collision they will go in whichever direction, that we don't know that which direction they are going, but in whichever direction they will go, that also they will follow a straight line path, not a wavy path. Okay, so that's why the option 3 is the correct answer of this question. I hope this has answered this question. Thank you.